Binance KYC verification, OTP setup, what to do if you lose OTP. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, ensuring security and regulatory compliance is important, which is why Binance has implemented a KYC or Know Your Customer process as part of its commitment to these standards. Alongside KYC, the platform also uses one-time passwords, OTP, for added security. In this video, we'll explore the KYC verification process on Binance, how to set up OTP, and what steps to take if you lose access to your OTP. But before we dive in, click on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. As I always mention in my videos, an important thing you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform's services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, I have made a video on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you will get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. Now, when you first log into your account, you'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication or 2FA. It's advisable to enable this feature because it adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, making it much harder for anyone to access your account without permission. When you use a two-factor authentication, you'll enter your normal password and a second code, which can be sent to a mobile device via SMS or created by the Google Authenticator app. If you've already created a Binance account and did not enable the two-factor authentication feature, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. Binance provides different options for two-factor authentication to enhance security, with SMS authentication and Google Authenticator being two commonly used methods. To set up SMS authentication, log into your Binance account and go to your profile. Next, click on Security. After that, click on Passkeys and Biometrics, and from there, click Manage. Next, click on Add a new authenticator and follow the provided instructions. Choose SMS authentication as your preferred method, and don't forget to save the passkeys on the device you created it on. Moving on, to enable Google Authenticator for your Binance account, start by logging in and heading to your settings. Once there, navigate to Security and choose Enable Binance/Google Authenticator now. Next, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After that, you'll need to complete a security verification by entering a code sent to your email. Once you're done, open the Google Authenticator app and scan the provided QR code or manually enter the code listed below it. Don't forget to save the backup key in a secure location to ensure recovery in case you lose your device. Now, if you happen to lose your Binance account username and password, but still have access to the Authenticator app linked with the account, you can regain access by following a few steps. Start by heading to the Binance login page, either on the website or mobile app, and select the Forgot Password option. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your account. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a message from Binance containing instructions or resetting your password. Inside the email, click on the provided password reset link, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, then confirm the new password to finalize the reset. Next, open the Authenticator app on your device and find the authentication code for your Binance account. You'll need to enter this code into Binance when prompted. Once you've entered the correct code, you should be able to access your Binance account again. If you run into any problems or need further help, reaching out to Binance customer support can help ensure everything goes smoothly. Now, Before you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance, you need to go through an identity verification process called KYC, or Know Your Customer. This step is crucial because it ensures that Binance knows who its users are, which is important for legal reasons as well as for maintaining trust and security on the platform. As cryptocurrency continues to gain mainstream acceptance, exchanges like Binance are under increasing scrutiny from regulators. To operate legally and maintain their integrity, these platforms are required to verify the identities of their users. This is where KYC comes into play. On Binance, the KYC process involves several verification tiers, each with specific requirements and benefits. These tiers help Binance comply with various regulations across different regions and enable the platform to offer a range of services to verified users. Completing KYC typically involves submitting personal identification documents, like government-issued IDs and proof of address. Additionally, Binance may require a liveness check, which involves facial recognition to confirm your identity in real time. By completing the KYC process, you will help Binance stay compliant with regulations and gain access to features and services that are not available to unverified users. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video.